So, you're ready to turn your business idea into reality in the state of Illinois. That is awesome. But before you dive in, you need to make things official. And the best way to do that is by forming an LLC. An LLC gives you legal protection, tax flexibility, and makes your business look more legit. But let's be honest, the paperwork and legal steps can be a bit confusing. And that is where this video comes in. In this video, I will walk you through everything that you need to do to start your Illinois LLC the right way. If you're ready to get started, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's jump in. Before you get too attached to a name, you need to make sure that no one else is already using it. Illinois requires that your LLC name includes limited liability company or LLC. To check availability, use the Illinois Secretary of State's business search tool. If the name you want is taken, you'll need to tweak it a bit. If it's available but you're not ready to file yet, you can reserve it for 90 days for $25. The state of Illinois requires every LLC to have a registered agent. This is the person or company that receives legal documents for your business. You can be your own registered agent, but you must have a physical address in Illinois and be available during business hours. If you'd rather not deal with that, then you can hire a registered agent service for around $100 to $300 per year. Once you've got your name and registered agent sorted, it's time to file the Articles of Organization. This is the document that legally creates your LLC. You can file online or by mail, and the filing fee is $150. Online applications usually get approved faster within about 10 business days. The state of Illinois does not require you to have an operating agreement, but having one is a really smart move. This document spells out who owns the LLC, how profits are actually divided, and how decisions are made. Even if you are a single member LLC, having this in writing can help protect your business in case of legal disputes. An employer identification number, or EIN, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need one to file taxes, to hire employees, and open a business bank account. Now, the best part is, it is completely free. Just go to the IRS website and apply online. It only takes a few minutes and you will receive your EIN instantly. Once your LLC is up and running, there is one more thing that you cannot forget: filing your annual report. Illinois requires all LLCs to submit this report every year to keep their business in good standing. The cost is $75 and it's due before the first day of your LLC's anniversary month. If you forget, you could face penalties or even risk losing your LLC status. And just like that, you are all set. You now know exactly how to start an LLC in Illinois from start to finish. If you found this video helpful, please do us a favor and hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about this process. And for more business resources, check out simplifyllc.com. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new business in the state of Illinois.